Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a pirate. Now to start, I'm using a circle-shaped sugar cookie. And this is actually a Christmas ornament cookie that I've turned sideways. And I always get a huge kick out of repurposing cookie cutters that I already have. And this Christmas ornament cutter is one that I come back to often. The top half of the cookie is going to be the bandana, so I'm going to be outlining it with a piping consistency red royal icing fitted with a number 2 tip. Now, here's a tip for red royal icing. When you're mixing it up, you don't need to get a red deep shade right away. Less is more. In fact, the more dye you add, the more likely you're going to encounter problems like color bleeding. You only need to get a nice deep coral pink color. It'll deepen into red as it sits and as it dries. Just give it some time. We're going to fill in the area with the same color, this time in a flooding consistency. I have this in a squeeze bottle with a coupler attachment fitted with a number 4 tip, but any regular squeeze bottle will work. Use your scribe tool to pop any air bubbles and get all the icing towards the edges. While it's still wet, I'm going to pipe dots into the red using a white flooding consistency royal icing. This is called the wet on wet technique. And you can see that they just sort of sink into the wet royal icing and it becomes a nice level surface. I used a squeeze bottle with a coupler attachment and number 2 tip, but again, any squeeze bottle will work. I've let the red crust over for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm using an ivory piping consistency to outline the face, fitted with a number 2 tip. Next, I'm going to fill this in with a flooding consistency of the same color that I have here in a squeeze bottle. Again, a regular squeeze bottle or one fitted with a number 4 tip will do. Use your scribe tool to pop any air bubbles and get all the icing towards the edges. Before we detail, let the cookie dry for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. To neaten up the seam between the bandana and the face, I'm using a number 2 tip and a piping consistency red royal icing to just reline it and tidy it up a bit. For the eye patch, I drew a line across the top at an angle and then made a U shape for the patch. I'm using a piping consistency black royal icing fitted with a number 2 tip and filling it in with a black flooding consistency. I didn't have a whole lot of them to do, so you can see that I have a mini squeeze bottle. I then added a dot beside the patch for one eye. Use your scribe tool to get all the icing towards the edges and pop any air bubbles. For the nose, I used an ivory piping consistency royal icing and a number 2 tip and just made a little dollop in the middle of his face. For the mouth and beard stubble, I'm using a fine tip black and brown edible ink food pen. Give him a little smile using the black, and then tiny little brown lines all over his chin for the beard stubble. To finish it off, I'm using a stiff consistency red royal icing fitted with a leaf tip. This is a tip number 350. This is to create the ends of the bandana, one beside the other. You want this icing to hold its shape, so make sure it's kind of like drywall paste consistency, otherwise it'll just turn into a shapeless blob and run down the side. Now, as you can see, I made pretty happy looking pirates, but this is just a case of reading your audience. If you were making these for a rowdy 8-year-old, you could change up the expression and maybe make them look a little meaner. But if you were making them for a 1-year-old, just keep them smiley. You don't want to give them nightmares.
Yaaarrr, har, har, har.
Yikes. Here we have 2 other sugar cookies in the set that you'll be able to see in my video library very soon. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. If you'd like to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe to Sweethart Baking Experiment here on YouTube for more Kookievision in the future. My name's Cookie, and I'll talk to you next time.